Well, a Guatemalan mother is now heading to Tennessee for an asylum hearing just days after almost facing immediate deportation. The mother's lawyer told our sister station in Phoenix her and her newborn daughter are traveling together to appear before an immigration judge in hopes of gaining asylum.
When I arrived at the hospital, there were guards posted at her door. At her hospital door.
Immigration attorney Luis Campos described what he called a highly charged scene when he arrived at Tucson Medical Center's maternity ward.
I had nurses coming up to me and doctors coming up to me offering support.
U.S. Customs and Border Patrol agents were at the door of a Guatemalan woman named Erica, who'd given birth to a baby girl.
DHS had denied her a right to call her family and denied her right to see me. So I called the mother to give her the good news that she had been found and that she had a new grandchild.
Erica was arrested by the Border Patrol after crossing the desert for 2 days while 8 months pregnant. She was slated for expedited removal.
The community in Tucson just went nuts with it, and it received a great deal of attention.
Protesters took to the streets around Tucson Medical Center as word spread of Erica's imminent deportation.
If we want to keep some immigrants out and we want to control immigration, I'm not opposed to that. But we do have a thing called due process.
CBP dropped the deportation plan. Erica was instead handed off to Immigration and Customs Enforcement for removal proceedings.
It had completely changed. It was a 180. No expedited processing. They're going to allow her to make a regular asylum case in regular immigration court, and she was released.
CBP said Erica's days-old daughter, born in Tucson, will not be deported because she's an American citizen. But what happens to her if Erica is deported?
Will Erica, at some point in the next many months or so, have to make a decision on whether to leave her child behind?
It's going to be a tough decision. I hope we win the case, and I hope she never has to make that kind of decision, but we don't know at this point.